Class 5 Maths Chapter 1 The Fish Tale. In your previous classes, you have learnt about the numbers up to 1 lakh. In this chapter, we will learn about the numbers up to 10 lakh and 10 crore. So let's start learning about numbers. Natural numbers. What are natural numbers? All counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are called natural numbers. The smallest natural number is 1 and there is no largest natural number. There are two numeration systems in which we can write numbers. The first one is Indian numeration system and the second one is International numeration system. In this chapter, we will learn how to write numbers in Indian numeration system. Values of the places in the Indian numeration system are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and so on. Here we have place value chart, which can be used to identify the digits in any place in the Indian numeration system. Through this chart, you can understand the place value of the digits in Indian numeration system. In ones, we don't have any zero. Tens, we have 1 0. In hundreds, we have 2 zeros. In thousands, we have 3 zeros, and so on. Let's understand this through one example. Here we have one number. The digits of the number are 3, 6, 1, 3, and 5. Whenever you need to write the number name of any number, first of all, understand the place value of the digits. Here 5 is at 1's place, 3 is at 10's place, 1 is at 100's place, 6 is at 1000's place, and 3 is at 10,000's place. We have 3 and 6 at 10,000 and 1000's place. So 36,000. At 100 place we have 1. So 135. So the number name for the following number is 36,135. Now let's understand the use of commas in Indian numeration system. Commas added to numbers help us read and write large numbers easily. As per Indian numeration system, commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs, and crores. The first comma comes after hundreds place, 3 digits from the right, and marks thousands. The second comma comes 2 digits later, that means 5 digits from the right. It comes after 10,000's place and marks lakh. The third comma comes after another 2 digits, that means 7 digits from the right. It comes after 10 lakh place and marks crore. Let us understand this through examples. Here we have examples how we use commas in Indian numeration system. The first number is 234. Second number 1234. Here we have comma after 3 digits from right and marks 1000, 1234. The third number is 91,234. Comma is placed to mark 1000, 91,234. Fourth number is 8,91,234. Here second comma is after 5 digits, which marks lakh. 8,91,234. The next number is 78,91,234. The next number is 6,78,91,234. Your third comma is after 7 digits from right side, which marks crore. 6 crore 78 lakh 91,234. And the last number is 56 crore 78 lakh 91,234. I hope you all have understood the easy way to understand the how to write the number names in Indian numeration system. If you wish to write the number names in Indian numeration system, place commas at correct places so that it will be easy for you to write the number names.